Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete your hometown on Facebook step by step. If you've changed cities, prefer to keep your location private, or simply want to tidy up your profile, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Give it a moment to load, and then look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Tap on it. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping your name or photo at the top. Once your profile opens, look for the option that says Edit Profile and tap it. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled Details. This is where Facebook keeps information like your relationship status, workplace, and hometown. Once you see it, tap on Edit. Keep scrolling down within this section until you reach the part labeled Hometown. Right next to your hometown, there's a small pencil icon that's your editing tool. Give it a tap. Here, you'll see the name of your current hometown. If you no longer want this information displayed, tap on Remove. Facebook will ask you to confirm before the change goes through, so tap Confirm to finish, and that's it. You've successfully removed your hometown from your Facebook profile. If you'd like, you can scroll through the rest of your profile details to make other updates or keep your personal information private. Facebook saves all changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your edits. Now that you know how to delete your hometown, you can decide how much of your personal info you want visible online. Keep your profile exactly the way you want it: clean, updated, and perfectly yours. Thanks for watching.